survivor of the domestic violence, etc. So
the answer is to take out your mind.
All right.
He has a lot of experience working with charity and people, so I think
Innovations or digital health innovations are back.
I think if there is an emergency, you all see where the exit is.
Over the next few hours, we will explore how innovations.
And I have actually Elizabeth. You want to just join us in here?
affordable to alternatives. That's the only thing I want to make it. So it's not like only for like.
In the WHO also have a lot of work collaboration to actually see how the
Those are very fancy, very clean thing, but also what he raises is also accuracy of those devices. So not all, even we can say from
Actually, probably let us start with the introductions of. Yes.
Namaste, thank you. म राम नागुक अनि खरसाङ प्राजुरा म बुढिया नमस्कार थ्याङ्क यू मेरो नाम कर्णलाल थापा सुदूर पश्चिम प्रदेश दार्जिलिङ जिल्ला टिभी नगरपालिका नम्बर
It's me, Jonathan Bora, Mayor of Kudinanda Municipality.
अमर खड्का परिमाणका नगरपालिकामा पर्नु
They are mayors, elected mayors, and they are council mayors. The narrative synthesis of